Okay, this is using screen recorder, Screener. My first time having used this software. I've tried Google Hangouts, was one of my latest attempts to using some software. It wasn't very good, so I'm going to try this. What I thought I'd do with this one is have a look at, this is my young ones, ions that need to be learnt. And this is for AS chemistry. If you're doing A2 chemistry, without knowing these, you probably have barely survived. So the positive ions you need to know. And I'm going to list the ones that I think are essential to memorise. The positive ions you need to know to start with is zinc, Zn, the symbol for zinc, and you've got to remember it's got 2+ charge. The next one I'd recommend is silver. It's quite common. It's used as a test for halides. The silver ion as Ag+. The hydrogen ion, again we're talking about ions, not the elements, H+. And the somewhat, on occasion, confusing one, ammonium, as opposed to ammonia. It's the ammonium ion, NH4+. Those are positive ions that we need to remember for AS, especially if you've done nothing over summer. The negative ions that you need to know and to memorise is a nitrate. The nitrate ion that you need is NO3-. Hydroxide, which shouldn't be too difficult. The hydroxide ion is OH-. Hydrogen carbonate. Hydrogen carbonate. This is HCO3-. Carbonate ion, well, let's put that one in here. The carbonate ion is, and it may sound a bit confusing, is the same thing, hydrogen carbonate, but with that hydrogen missing, which is a H+, so you knock off the H+, use CO3 2-. Finally, sulfate. Very important, especially when working with sulfuric acid, SO4 2-. Okay, so you've got to memorise these. There's no easy way around it, but then there's not that much of it. So we have the positive ions here on the left. So these are my positive ions that you need to remember. These are your negative ions. Okay, I might make that brush stroke thicker next time. Let's see how we do. Let's record.